Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road. In this video, we're going to show you how to install this beautiful brush bar on a 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Here in the United States, Land Cruiser, other states, countries is Prado. Really easy guys, about 5 minutes, and we're going to show you how to do it. To get started, all you're going to need is 17mm socket, deep or not. We have an electric tool, you can use a mechanical one, and we're going to remove the factory toe points underneath the vehicle. Let's go. So guys, this is how we took them off. Key feature is we're gonna flip-flop them. When we install the brush bar, this is gonna be on the left side, right side is gonna be on the left, and the left is gonna be on the right. Just FYI. This is where the buddy comes in handy. One buddy holds it, the other buddy kind of lines up the bolts,